Hardik Panchal from Castwell Foundries, Ahmedabad. We are into manufacturing of raw materials for ferrous and non-ferrous foundries. We are the part of the Ahmedabad Lean Foundry cluster, and we are very thankful for the Greendot team for their support, especially Neerav Bhai, Tarun Bhai, and Nayan, giving us training on various topics like personal productivity as well as operational excellence and lean management, of course. We've gone through this drive of lean by implementing 5S activities first and focus more on our inventory control, which was a pain area. We are glad that we have improved 50% on our inventory turnover ratio by implementing various practices like control over our inventory by bringing it to visual level, as well as reorder policy enforcement and controlling our dead stock, and also controlling our finished goods at the optimum level. So this has helped us in reducing our ITR. Then the second phase, what we have achieved is 5S space management. Of course, we have saved somewhere about 600 square feet space from our operational area, which has helped us in storing our goods very systematically and helped us in cleaning our workspace. 5S activity we have taken as a challenge and brought up, of course, not to the full level, but up to the 4S level, and still improving on that part on daily basis. The auditing, especially on various time frames, have helped us achieving 5S scores, and we have reached from 4 to 20 at this level and still going. For Kaizen, we have only considered the productivity Kaizen, which has helped us a lot in reducing waste as well as eased out our operations. Then we have got benefit more from VSM, which has helped us in reducing 60 minutes out of our melting time for our aluminum alloys production, because that was going under holding, and we have improved upon our pouring process. That has really helped us, and we could save 60 minutes out of our 2 hours production time. It is phenomenal. As well as through MFCA, we have gone through some various trials along with Greendot team and come across with specific molds for again for our aluminum alloys production, and we could save about 60-70 kgs per ton, which was going under waste, and we had to remelt. So we could curtail these runnerizer systems out of the production activity, and now the same is straight away converted into finished goods. So overall, yes, we are very satisfied with lean, and as a future activity, we are just